What up, guys? We back with another banger.
Another car video.
Look, what we finna do, babe? You tell them.
We're gonna wrap
The roof.
the roof.
The roof and the hood. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do Look, we finna do carbon fiber on the hood or whatever, my bad. And then we finna do gloss black on the roof. You know the fucking vibe. We finna do that shit. It's a little raw. We finna get lit. You know the fucking vibe. Yes.
So I'm gonna help him, of course, and be his little helper. Whatever. I'm gonna be his little elf for today. Take that off. I'm showing the before and the after. So this is the before. Nothing, you know. Slow boys.
And keep in mind, guys.
Yeah.
This is our first time.
Yeah, we're gonna try. Well, we
can't fuck up on this one because it's only a little.
Oh, and then last time we did this.
Did you record or no?
No, I didn't.
All right.
We installed the tail lights.
Yeah.
These, and I helped him with this one. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a bit.
What up, everybody?
New hair, who this? New hair, who this?
What are you talking about?
We are going. I don't even know where we're going.
Look it up. No gaybagging anymore. Fuck that. We business. That's it.
No mullet anymore. No mullet boys.
Fresh boys.
Gone. We're gonna see you guys will card me later. You already know the vibes.
Hey, we gotta show you guys my car. You know the fucking vibe. We got a new one.
Another one. Wait, have we? Alright.
Maybe when it was like flat.
Maybe.
But hopefully it goes as planned.
For real.
We'll go to a car meet. And we're gonna show you guys the cars and shit. Yeah. We gonna be litty. That's it.
So hey guys, a little update. We're already here. It's 7:30. It started at what, 6:30? I don't even know. But there's a hell of people already. The cops are here. But
Guys, he's at the car meet or whatever. She cold or whatever. This bitch is so nice. He's bushing or whatever. We got the cops over there or whatever. How do you zoom into this bitch? Yeesh. See, this shit is busting. And we got this little Civic right here, just like mine or whatever. We is fucking litty. We got the feds over there.
can you gotta hold it.
My bad. We got the feds over there. Sheesh. Check this out though. Everybody sliding. Decent. Okay. Everybody pulling out. Sheesh. Hear that bitch up? Okay. Yeah, that's nice. This is a nice ass truck. Sheesh. The Mercedes over here. You got right hand drive. Civic outside. With the Subi right here. We got the Stein. And we got the BRZ. Scared. No, I wasn't.
Hey guys, so we're here at Cane's after the car meet because somebody got hungry.
But yeah, guys, We just came back from the Carmen. We finna go eat. We were in
Yeah.
that bitch for like 3 hours, right?
Yeah, it was lit.
But it was
lit.
cold as fuck. So.
I couldn't handle it anymore. And
I was hungry as fuck too, and she was too, right?
we
babe?
ate like at 3, so like
Oh yeah, we did.
like 5 hours ago.
But I'm motherfucking hungry. I only ate a little bit. But
I'm kind of hungry too, and
God.
oh, my stomach is.
Too.
Anyways, he's gonna get Chick-fil-A because he's a hater and he never wants to eat what I eat. I'm just kidding. What are we gonna do out there?
We finna get litty. We finna go to her family's crib or whatever. Gatira esas putadas, bro.
My
¿Cuánto cuestan?
glasses.
Tú dime cuánto
I
cuesta
don't know, it
ahorita.
has different
Mira,
prices.
1, 2.
Yes.
Ahora, bro, tengo un puto hambral, bro.
Chick-fil-A is gonna take way longer.
No, it's not. I didn't see no cars there.
Oh.
Mira la chota, bro. Fuck.
How do you say it? La chots.
La chots. La chots, bro. Y fíjate, güey. Fíjate, Firulais.
Firulais? Mi Firulais.
Cóbreme, güey. Y me están hablando.
Who?
Yo.
Oh my god. Facial hair finally coming in.
I've been having this shit. What the fuck?
Oh my god, bro.
She's stronger than
Dude.
motherfucker. She's stronger than me.
Don't want it to be like that because I'm gonna believe it.
¿Qué miras? ¿Pa' qué mira? You're kind of lacking. I'm just kidding. Hearts.
Hello guys, long time no see. So right now I'm gonna go to, I think I'm gonna go to, where am I going to? I can't find my AirPods, which that's weird because I haven't used them in a while. So I don't know where they are. The thing is that I gotta find them though. Oh, now I remember. Wait, where did I put it? So on last weekend was my brother's birthday party and they were like on my bed and I was trying to hide them because I don't want them to get lost, and they did because I don't remember where I put them. Where did I put my freaking AirPods? I don't remember where I left them. I didn't hide them, but I just didn't. I think I put them in here. I never lose my AirPods, so when I do, I get all crazy. Oh, the hand sanitizer. I always think these are my AirPods. I don't know where I put them. Ah, this are my AirPods. These are my AirPods. Oh my gosh, what is this? I freaking forgot where I left them. They're nowhere to be found. I found my AirPods. They were in my purse. I'm gonna eat now because look, this is my brother's thing. I'm gonna eat now because we're leaving soon and I gotta eat. I'm not even that hungry. Ready because you know really have to have it ready. So I'll see you guys when I'm finished eating. I don't know why I'm talking quietly. Hey guys, we're here at Marshall's. There's a lot of stuff here today. Oh, I'm actually enjoying it here. He's not, because he's just like following me to see where I'm going. Oh, I need lashes. No, I kind of don't. Wait. ¿Qué más stores hay aquí? Oh, Bath and Body Works. GameStop.
Dick's,
Ross? No, right?
I don't know.
No, because I don't like the lashes here. No me gusta ni una. Like, look, these look too big.
What the hell is
These look like too late. I don't know.
Oh, it could be.
Bath and Body Works, and I just bought soaps. I was so mad because I wanted the lotion or the perfume. I'm not trying to waste. I mean, not waste because I use it, but I was not trying to like spend. I need to buy Starbucks too, so I can't. Take on it that if the Warriors win
the finals,
I'm gonna give you $10.
but you said it.
Okay.
I'm gonna keep this for the rest of my life.
Dude, you're so dumb. So this is what I bought, guys. I bought this. ASMR moment. Of course, he had to kill it.
That looks good. That's
I don't know. However you want.
It's your freaking wall.
I know, dude. I need to get my wall fixed.
Look at the growth, Vanessa. Can I use it?
Doesn't te cae el pelo because you keep brushing it all over again.
I know, I only brushed the back.
Shh, I'm gonna do an ASMR video.
Later.
I'm gonna be like sassy ASMR.
Look at this. Are you gonna post it?
Yeah.
No, it does not.
Look.
Post it.
Shh.
What is that?
Shh. I got this too. Marshalls, dude. Marshall has hella stuff. I really loved Marshalls. It has hella stuff. Unfortunately, I didn't buy a lot of stuff. I only got two things from there, which was this for hair growth, but I forgot well, I didn't forget it, but I couldn't find the shampoo. This is only the conditioner, but we'll see if next time I go I find the shampoo. I still have conditioner, so I don't know if I'm gonna wait till I finish the conditioner I have and then use this one, or use this one and then I don't know. What should I do? I have no idea. So I have this for my hair when I shower, and I've been wanting this, but I just didn't buy it because no. You know, what else did I buy? And then I just bought. We barely moved in, as you guys know, so this is what my room looks like. My stuff is still boxed up. I have it right here from the trip from South Carolina, so I have it here, my makeup. So I haven't used my full makeup, so yeah. And then I bought this because there was a sale going on they were $2. I bought two. I only bought two, just one for me and one for my mom. So yeah, I did not buy a lot of stuff, but in my head I think I did, because where's all the money I had? But yeah, and then I bought some Starbucks, of course. I could never miss out on Starbucks. But that's it. That's the only thing I bought. And right now I'm just gonna, I did not do my bed in the morning, so I'm gonna do it right now. Either way, I'm gonna go to sleep soon. So Willie, are you in the bathroom? No? Okay. That's pretty much it. I didn't buy a lot of stuff, but what shampoo do you guys recommend for dry hair? Because I've been using this one, and then it does not seem to work. It's just probably my hair that's dry. But yeah, that's it.